Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. If you know, Swiss Beauty has recently launched a new line of their makeup which is called Swiss Beauty Select. From the name you can guess this is like a premium version of Swiss Beauty. As we all know, Swiss Beauty is a more affordable brand, but now they are coming up with a new line of makeup which is more on the premium side. I have two products with me. One is this eyeshadow palette and then is this lipstick. I'm going to talk about this eyeshadow palette today. In this new line they have quite a few products and it is only exclusively available on Nykaa. You won't get these products anywhere else. The products that they have is a concealer, a face palette which is also an eyeshadow palette. Then they have a different eyeshadow palette which is this one. Then they have different kinds of lipsticks like gloss, matte lipsticks and all of that. There are not a lot of products and I have seen one or two products already go out of stock. I don't know how so fast. Anyway, so the palette looks like this. I won't deny it's a very pretty looking palette and even the color combination is also really pretty. It has mostly brown, golden, mauve and pink shades. It also has 5 shimmery shades which is great, and 2 of the shades are very different in texture. You must have seen Huda Beauty palettes have these kind of textures. So we need to check out if they work as good as Huda Beauty palettes. The MRP of this is 575 rupees, but you can get it on a discount. Today I've created this pinky, shimmery, rosy kind of a look with this palette. And these 2 shades which I told you are unique. They have like a shift in color. It's like a duochrome kind of a shade. So when you move, the colors will shift. Packaging of this is great. I actually love the packaging of this. It is very slim, compact and sturdy so that you can travel with it, and it also has a good color theory going on. Like there are eyeshadow palettes whose colors are so mismatched that you cannot create one look with it. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आपको दूसरा eyeshadow palettes भी carry करना पड़ता है. But with this one, if you carry only this palette, you will be good to go. You can create a lot of looks with this one. First, let me show you the eye look. Then we will move on to how this palette performs. Coming to the review of this palette, दिखने में of course ये बहुत अच्छा है, but when you try to pick up the shades with brushes, it has a kickback. Kickback as in कि जो इनका powdery formula है वो समझ आता है. So of course loss of product तो होता ही है, but उसके साथ fallout भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Second, the pigmentation is very low. Of course it is buildable, but in one swipe you get a very little pigmentation, and buildable भी उतना नहीं है कि आपको एकदम dark pigment देगा, वैसा नहीं होता है. जब मैं ब्रश से अप्लाई करती हूँ तब भी उतना पिगमेंटेशन नहीं आता, और जब मैं फिंगर से भी कर रही हूँ तब भी उतना पिगमेंटेशन नहीं आता है. ऑल इन ऑल पिगमेंटेशन का प्रॉब्लम तो है इसमें, ये थोड़ा और पिगमेंटेड हो सकता था. Now coming to the shimmer shades, it is actually hard to get the pigment of the shimmer shades. लाइक ब्रश से तो ये बिल्कुल नहीं उठता है, और अगर आप फिंगर से करो तो भी 2-3 बार स्वाइप करने के बाद फिर थोड़ा सा पिगमेंट इसका आता है. आई एम गेटिंग द पिगमेंट हियर बिकॉज आई एम एबल टू अप्लाई द फोर्स हियर, लेकिन आईज पे मैं फोर्स नहीं लगा सकती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे बाकी जो कलर्स है वो खराब हो जाएंगे. तो इसमें पिगमेंट लाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है. मैंने ये वाला शेड अभी यहाँ पे अप्लाई किया है एंड यू कैन सी हाउ sheer इट लुक्स, राइट. ये मेरा सेकेंड कोट है एंड देन यू गेट द पिगमेंट. सो क्लियरली पिगमेंटेशन का प्रॉब्लम इस पैलेट के साथ तो है, एंड द प्राइस इज ऑल्सो अराउंड 500. बट अगर आप इसको वर्क करवा सको और पिगमेंटेशन को इग्नोर कर दो, देन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस पैलेट. बट ऑल इन ऑल जनरली भी मुझे स्विस ब्यूटी का पिगमेंटेशन, मतलब आई शेडो पैलेट्स का पिगमेंटेशन अच्छा नहीं लगता है. स्विस ब्यूटी इज अ ब्रांड हुज लिपस्टिक्स आई लव, हुज कंसीलर आई लव लव लव, बट आई शेडोज कभी मुझे उतने पसंद पसंद नहीं आए, because of course if they are giving you an eyeshadow palette of so many shades in such a less price, then there will be some compromise in the quality. If the pigmentation is not a big concern for you and you just want to take it for the colors, then go for it. Otherwise, I think it's not worth your money. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought about this eyeshadow palette, and I will see you next week with another video. Take care till then. Tata.